Your capstones prove you can do the work to anyone who reads them closely. A certification proves it fast, to a recruiter or an applicant tracking system that never will. This lesson maps AZ140 onto exactly the modules that prepared you for it, gives you the verified 2026 exam logistics, and builds your wider roadmap across Citrix, Omnissa, and adjacent Microsoft credentials. AZ140 is Microsoft's intermediate-level, administrator role specialty certification, renewing annually. Its 4 skills-measured domains were the blueprint for modules 3 through 6 of this course. Infrastructure planning is the biggest single domain, followed by identity and security, then user environments and apps, then monitoring and maintenance. If you've built the capstones, you've already covered this scope hands-on. Straight from Microsoft's official AZ140 certification page as of July 2026, you get 100 minutes. The exam is proctored and may include interactive question types, it's offered in 7 languages, and a failed first attempt has a 24-hour retake wait. These are the facts Microsoft actually publishes. Here's the honesty check. Microsoft does not publish an exact question count or a numeric passing score for AZ140 on its official page. You will find confident-sounding third-party numbers like exactly 47 questions or a 700 out of 1000 passing score. Treat those as unverified. And be careful with sites offering literal exam dump question banks. Using them can violate Microsoft's exam policies and put a certification you've already earned at risk. Don't start from a study guide's table of contents, start from what you've actually built. Infrastructure and identity should feel solid after Capstone 1's design work. Monitoring is usually the domain people under practice simply because it's the smallest weight, so spend one focused session there. Then use the official study guide to catch anything the course didn't cover in exam form, and take a practice assessment to find your real gaps before scheduling. AZ140 is your first certification, not your only one. CCAV validates hands-on Citrix DOS administration with no prerequisites. CCVADCC goes deeper into Citrix Cloud specifically. OCAH is the current, active Omnissa Horizon Administrator credential. And MD102 is worth adding if a target role is heavy on Windows 365 and Intune managed cloud PCs. It doesn't compete with the VDI platform certs, it complements them. One naming trap worth calling out explicitly: VCPDTM is a legacy VMware credential that is simply no longer issued, following the end-user computing spin-out into Omnissa. People who already hold it keep it, but if you're advising anyone, including yourself, on what to study today for Horizon administration, the answer is OCAH, not VCPDTM. Take AZ140 first, because it matches this course's depth and Azure Virtual Desktop skills transfer no matter which platform you end up on. Resist the urge to immediately study a second, platform-specific exam just to collect credentials. Wait until you have a real signal about which vendor your target employer runs, and study that one. Next lesson shows you exactly how to read job descriptions for that signal.